Good morning, students. Today we will discuss few more programs of switch case. So your first program is you have to input a number and display the last digit in words. So first we will take this util package, import java.util.string. Class I have taken number, public static void main string args, int n for inputting the number, n variable I have taken. Now scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in, n is equal to sc.next int. Here I have taken user input of number. Now what we will do, we will pass this n module 10 in switch case. What it will do, it will return your remainder part and accordingly it will print the value in word. Now for case 0, if the remainder comes out to be 0, it will print zero 0. Break I have applied. For 1, case 1, if remainder comes out to be 1, it will print one 1 and break. For case 2, system.out.println, for 2 it will print two and break. For 3, case 3, numeral 3, it will print in words THREE 3 and your break, and it will goes on like this 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now for default system.out.println wrong choice. Now see how it will going to work. Now if I enter n as 82, now when we will divide it by 10, the remainder will be your 2. So remainder will be your 2. It will go to this part, it will print TWO2. So it is basically printing the last digit of a number. You can just check from here. Now how the output will come, I have entered the number 82, it will print to TWO2. This is the output of the program. You can take next example also, 74. Now answer will be FOUR because we have to print the last digit of a number. You can check this by dividing it by 10. Remainder will comes out to be 4. Now you can see this next example. To check a number is single digit, double digit or more than that. Now I have taken this import java.util.string. Class I have taken check, public static void main string args, int n I have taken, scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in, n is equal to sc.next int. In switch I have taken n/10. Now case 0, system.out.println single digit. Now if the number comes out to be less than 10, remainder will be your quotient will be your 0 because it is not divisible by 10. That's why your quotient will be 0. So it will print your single digit because number less than 10 are considered to be your single digit. Now for if the quotient comes out to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, it will print your double digit. And here I have applied break, and for default I have put system.out.println more than that. That means digit more than that. Here I have closed 3 brackets. Now you can see the output of this. Now if I enter 7, it will print your single digit because 7/10. What is 7/10? It is not divisible by 10. That means your quotient will be 0. Now if I take 82. Now for 82, 82 by 10 is 10 8s are 80. Now quotient is 8. So it will print double digit. Here it will print your double digit. Now if I take input as 432. For 432 it is greater than double digit. So if you divide it by 10, it will print your more than that. As when you divide this by 10, you will get 43 as your quotient. So it does not lies between these values. So it will go to here default value more than that. That's why it's printing more than that. Now your homework is this program is of if. This program you have to do using if else statement. You have to input the 5 subject marks and then find out the total and percentage, and also find out division as per following conditions. So percentage marks, if percentage marks is greater than is equal to 60, it is first division. If your percentage marks is greater than is equal to 45 and less than 60, your division is second. If your percentage marks is greater than is equal to 33 and less than 45, you have to print third division. And if it is below 33, you have to print fail. Thank you, students.